there will be something interesting that you would also like to add to this thought that Sanjay Uncle has just conveyed about how the cinema of your times, the characters you played, the stories that you conveyed were in a way depicting the texture of what India was becoming or the India that we hope to become.
Oh, you're going to ask me some intellectual question? Thank
Yes.
you. Hema ji,
I think you are such an intellectual.
करो ना. खामोश.
I think he's the right.
No, with due respect, we have just come here to attend the function, and I didn't have the opportunity. I've come all the way from Guwahati just for our friend
We're
and
very
family friend,
grateful
and
to
one
you.
of the most wonderful people we have in the film industry, and one of the most wonderful families. So we just came over here, and to be very honest, जो कह रहा हूँ सच के सिवाय कुछ नहीं, और सच ये है कि हमने पढ़ी नहीं है, अभी सिर्फ सुनी है इस बारे में. अब इसके बाद ज़रूर पढ़ने का इरादा रखता हूँ, लेकिन चूंकि हमारे बगल में जो बैठी हुई हैं देश की बहुत पढ़नियार हैं, बहुत होनहार हैं, बहुत गुणी हैं, इनके पास बहुत संस्कार हैं, ये ड्रीम गर्ल हैं, सपनों में जीती हैं, सपनों में जागती हैं और सपनों में सबको बुलाती हैं, ऐसी हेमा मालिनी बगल में बैठी हैं. तो मैं इनसे सादर अनुरोध करूँगा कि ये अपनी वाणी से, अपनी मुखाग्नि से ये आपको अभी प्रभावित करें, आपका मार्गदर्शन करें. श्रीमती हेमा मालिनी.
मैं मार्गदर्शन तब करूंगी जब संजय जी दूसरा बुक लिखेंगे, उसके लॉन्च में जरूर मार्गदर्शन दे दूंगी.
Thank you, Hema ji. I think that's
के
a
बाद
very
तो
clever
सिर्फ नहीं कहा
answer.
जा सकता है. खामोश.
Okay, I'm going to come back to you, Mr. Alag, since
How are you, ma'am? How are you? So we they are talking about politics only now. I am saying they should vote. मैं अच्छा ही बोल रहा हूँ. मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि इस बार सबको जाके वोट करना चाहिए.
वोट
We should
देना
have the highest percentage of voters this year.
एंड वोट किसको देना चाहिए वो बोलो.
वो मैं इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करना चाहता हूँ किसी को.
मेरा इन्फ्लुएंस होगा ना.
हाँ, मैम का इन्फ्लुएंस होगा.
One last thing. Holi के ऊपर आपको what's your message to all the fans and what's your
So I want to wish everyone a very safe and happy Holi. आपको भी happy Holi, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच.
And I have to say you are looking so beautiful. तभी भी और अभी भी. वही टैगलाइन होना चाहिए.
हमें बहुत खुशी हुई.
Thank you. Thank you.
Why did I decide upon Deepika to inaugurate or launch Hemaji's book? The reason behind...
I have to interrupt you here.
Okay.
I heard that Hemaji told you to keep me engaged because this is about Hemaji's book and she felt that I'm going to be extremely bored. So
Yes.
please do not. Absolutely not. I'm here because I love her, not for all of this that we see, but for the amazing human being that she is, that I've been extremely fortunate to have experienced multiple times.
So sweet of you
So-
to be here for me. I'm thankful to you. When Ram told me that you're going to come for the launch, I was really excited, very happy.
Thank you. I mean, I'm happy that I could make it. Wherever I was in the world, I would definitely make it back for this. You've always been very, very special, not just to me, but I think to all of us young women. We've all looked up to you. And like I said, it's not just the movies, it's not just the interviews, it's the woman beyond that, that we all really look up to.
Yeah. Also, we are here for the promotion of Cake Walk, in which Aisha is performing after a little gap. She just had a baby, and then I'm very happy that she has participated in this short film. 23 minutes में बहुत कुछ बताया जाएगा. This is also about a women chef and her empowerment, how she deals with people and all that. So, and it's been directed by Ram Kamal, who has come out with a book of mine, Beyond Dream Girl. So I'm very happy to be here with all of you, and I think Aisha should say something about the film and your participation here.
Sorry, we are not doing the post-show conference yet. It was just supposed to be pictures. Sorry, we are not doing the post-show conference yet. It was just supposed to be pictures. Please, and if you could direct questions to the designer now.
I didn't understand what.
The dress, I think he's asking about.
You're asking about the. I think let her answer.
Ma'am, if you could just... Could we have the next designers and showstoppers, please?